All right, so tell me how it went, first game.
Yeah, of course, loss. Because I'm happy for a loss, but I think it was a pretty close game. We had a chance to pull it even and even go past them, but they defended well. We couldn't find the keys to open it, and that's why we lost. But overall, it was okay, despite we lost.
Well, your first game in the KHL. What do you think about the opponent?
Good opponent, tough, played good defense, but it was like normal hockey game. Nothing special happened, and like hockey is same everywhere. So after first period, got to the rhythm, and it was pretty alright.
So your attitude, you think maybe you will change anything because the second game is approaching?
Well, a bit more shots to the net, a little bit more traffic, so could get 1-2 goals, and it starts from there to shoot it first and then go to the net. So we have to get a goal. Without it, we don't win games.